What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and happy new year. I hope you all had an amazing and blessed holiday. I am sending you so much love and many blessings to come your way this year. I hope you all stick around and are excited for what's to come this year with new content and new ideas that I have for this channel, and I am super excited to share with you guys. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you some new things that Dollar Tree has, but I'm also going to show you some things from Dollar General because I do want to just kind of show you guys what they have as well, because I think that a lot of people tend to sleep on Dollar General, and Dollar General does put out a ton of beautiful home stuff. And this is some of the stuff that I found new in Dollar Tree. You can see here in like their hair section and things like that. They always have out a ton of nice hair products. But a new thing that I found were these dryer brush and hair dryers. I think this is a really great find for Dollar Tree for $10. I'm not sure if they actually work because I didn't pick one up, but if you have, please let me know if they do work. I do think this was a great idea, you know, for a gift, or even, you know, if you see them now in the store for if you want to pick them up for yourself. But I also found these frames with dried flowers inside. And you guys know that I love simple decor like this that is very minimal. I did have to pick these up, and I'll show you in just a minute where I placed them in the home. They do have these, the little black one there that you see on the side, that are an arch, and then they also have these, but these are a sticker placed on top. I do like the dried flowers more, but you can pick up whichever you like for your taste and your liking. I think these are really cute and I love them. These are in their frame section. You guys should always check out their frame section because they always put out some new frames, which I love. So right now I have these in the bathroom that I actually made myself. Those were peel and stick wallpapers that are inside of there with some decals from Dollar Tree, and I just made my quick, you know, a quick little DIY for the bathroom. But I'm gonna go ahead and change those out just to use my new frames that I picked up that are super pretty, and I'm just going to hang them right inside of the bathroom. I'm gonna put them both inside of the bathroom so that it looks, you know, nice as a pair. But you can absolutely place these in whatever room in your home. I think it will look great in either room. It really doesn't matter because it's really neutral. So I have one here, and then I'm gonna place one above the toilet right here because there is a nail there anyway, as you see here, and it is super pretty, really nice and simple. But I think for $125 you can't beat this decor because, as I said, it's really neutral and you can just really place it anywhere. Another thing spotted new at Dollar Tree are these brushes right here. If you guys know that they sell these on Amazon, and I'm pretty sure some other places, but they are called Crave Naturals, the original brand, and I do actually have that brush, the same exact one. It looks almost exactly the same, to be honest, so I'm pretty sure that it will work, but I can't make any promises because I have not picked it up. But that is a great find if you don't want to pay, you know, the more expensive price for the original brand. And then I also found these little jar dispensers that I think are really cute in the gold and silver. You can see there the pump, which is really nice. And then I didn't notice that they also had a clear bottle, which is really cute as well. So I did pick up the gold with the clear cover and then the clear bottle. But before I get into what I use them for, I want to show you guys what Dollar General has out for home stuff and home decor and things like that, because I like coming to Dollar General to look and see what new things they have. And this time around they did not disappoint. They have a whole bunch of nice, really adorable stuff. As you can see here, they even have these wooden boxes that you can organize your trash bags. They have a lot of cute, almost farmhouse style decor right now. If you're into that, you can see they have the little hands here for the salt and pepper, and they have little succulent holders with a bow that are super cute, and you can always repaint them if you didn't like these colors. They have these really adorable frames that I think is super cute for a kid's room or a teenager's room for only $1. That is not bad at all. They are really nice. Here is some more stuff that I thought was super cute, being these little egg plates. These are really adorable for only $2. I know kids would love this, even myself would love this. This is super cute and adorable. They have some other sets of salt and pepper shakers, which I think this stack of pancakes and syrup is really cute. They even have the avocado ones right there, and I did see one of coffee and a donut later on that I forgot to film, but they are really cute and the prices are not too bad. Moving back to the wooden boxes here, they have one for trash bags, dryer sheets, and then they have this one here for your plastic sheets and your aluminum foil, which I think is really good. It even has a little zipper to break them off, and I really like this. This is a nice way to organize your things in the kitchen and have everything look nice and cohesive. They even have the little wooden stand for your seasonings, for a seasoning rack inside of your cabinets, and each one of these wooden pieces are $5. In my opinion, that is not bad at all, because we all know Dollar Tree now put their prices up even all the way up to $7 and $10 for certain things. So you know, you just have to pick and choose where you want to buy your things for what price, but $5 is not bad at all. And here is how they look here in the home. I'm going to show you putting in the dryer sheets inside of this box, and do keep in mind that you can, since they come neutral, you can just go ahead and buy a spray paint of your choosing and spray paint these boxes or hand paint them, and it would make it look, you know, even nicer. But I do like them in this wood, natural wood, for now, so I'll just leave it like that for now until I decide if I want to, you know, paint them in the future. But it's a nice way to have your things nice and organized and look super pretty, and to be able to throw away those ugly boxes that they come in and just, you know, tie everything together. So here's how the trash bags look like, and I can definitely fit way more inside of there, so that is a plus. You can maybe fit 2 boxes of trash bags in here depending on which ones you get, obviously, but I think these are super cute and I love them. You would have to let me know what you think, and if you would go check out Dollar General after watching this, because I think you definitely should. Now, moving back to those pump bottles from Dollar Tree, I'm going to show you a nice little way that you can use these. One being using it for your 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I find that it's a really good idea for traveling, especially if you use the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner mixed together, because you only need 1 bottle and you don't need to have 2 separate ones for the shampoo and conditioner. And then you can go ahead and use the other one for something else like lotion, face moisturizer, or anything like that. And these bottles are a great travel size and they look super pretty, so I think this is a great way to use them. So that is exactly what I am doing here. Super nice and simple. And you guys, I hope you liked and enjoyed as much as I did showing you the 2 different stores of that you can go to check out home decor stuff and new items. I just wanted to show you something a little bit different using Dollar General, because I really honestly love Dollar General's items and I think you should definitely check them out. But I'm going to be putting out more Dollar General videos in the future coming up, so stay tuned for that. I know this one was a little bit rusty because I haven't posted in over a month, but I am back and I am coming strong with new content and new ideas for you guys, so I hope you stick around. If you are here at the very end of my video, thank you so much for staying with me and tuning in to the very end. Comment down below in the comment section the word sunset and I will know exactly who made it to the very end of my video, which is truly and highly appreciated. So thank you very much, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care, my friend, and God bless.